How to add shiny effect animation to your Shopify buttons. Hello everyone, on this quick tutorial I'm going to show you a simple way to add a shiny eye-catching effect to your all buttons on Shopify. So make sure to finish this video until the end to be clear understanding on how easily add shiny effect animation to make your Shopify store more professional. So without no more talking, let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard. Then guys, I will show you before and after adding the shiny effect on your Shopify buttons without no paid version application. As you see guys, this is my Shopify product and there is no shiny effect. Then make sure to finish this video until the end to be understand how easily adding the shiny effect. Then guys, go back and open your Shopify store. Then guys, hit on Shopify store. Then guys, go directly. I prefer to choose the down tune because it's very easy for beginners and also any Shopify users. Then guys, go directly to three dots on the right side, then hit on these three dots, then hit on edit code. Then guys, I will show you the easy method to add the shiny effect on your Shopify buttons without no paid version applications. Then guys, go directly to the theme.liquid, then hit on theme.liquid. Then guys, it will take you directly to the code. Then you need to scroll to the bottom until you get the bottom. As you see guys, you will find the slash forward body in the bottom. If you don't find the slash forward body, then just hit on your keyboard Ctrl F, then tap slash forward body. Then it will take you directly to slash forward body. Then before slash forward body, you need to hit on enter to make a space. Then you need to make a space above the slash forward body. Then guys, when you select above the slash forward body, then go directly to the code. I will leave the code, don't worry, I will leave the code in the description. Just hit on the link on this description, it will take you directly to this code. Then guys, if you want to copy the code with the simple method, you can just hit and select all the code, or you can easily hit on this row section and the row button on the top and hit on row button. It will take you directly to copy the code easily. Then copy the code, then go back again, and you need just paste it above the body slash forward body. Then after paste the code successfully, then hit on save on the top, then hit on save. Then it take a few seconds guys to save the code on your Shopify store. Then after adding and saving the code, go back to your Shopify store. Then guys, I will show you after adding the code how it's look like on your Shopify. Then hit on product again, then open the same product. As you see guys, the shiny effect was added successfully to all your Shopify buttons. Guys, you can easily open your Shopify store. Also, you can easily find the shiny effect. You see guys, the shiny effect was added to all your Shopify buttons. It's easy guys, so make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Shopify's and for more videos and Shopify tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.